if you're looking to make simple desserts, then this book is a real gem. Out of the box desserts. Simply spectacular semi-homemade sweets. Now, you can see, as you'd expect with every recipe book, it's got pictures there. It divides them into sweet inspired cakes and cupcakes, and then the gooey bars and cookies and chocolate pies, lots of different things. Now, what I really love about this book is that there are lots of little stories that kind of keep it interesting as the author puts together the recipe. There's also something a bit about, I got on a health kick, I avoided butter, I'd eat dry wheat toast like it was going out of style. And then she realized it was missing something, so she made these butter cakes. As you can see, there are plenty of easy recipes. It's a good, really beautiful hardcover book, and it will stay open as well while you're cooking, so that you don't have to keep bending the pages back or holding them down, which is really, really, really lovely. So if you are into desserts, or if you're looking into making desserts, simple desserts, then this is the one. Out of the Box Desserts by Hayley Parker.